Gen 1 RAV4, turn your wheels all the way to the right, come on the left side tire and reach in. Do an inspection for this axle seal leak if you have an automatic transmission especially. We're going to go in right about down there, that's the seal. And you're going to take your cell phone camera just like this to try to get a look. Alright. There's the seal. There's the seal, and as you can see, this seal is leaking. It's causing a pretty mean leak. Took a little while to figure out what was causing this, because I'll show you on the bottom. It's a pretty good leak. Very dirty here. Let me see if I can get the camera under the seal. Right there. So CV axle's got to come out for this repair. Now I'm under a different RAV4, and this RAV4 is lifted, and I'm going to show you the inspection for the passenger side, which is a lot easier because there's less in the way. You can see there's the CV axle there. This is the same part we were looking at on the other one, and you can see back there, there's the seal. And this seal is not leaking yet, but it is the original seal, 20 years old, so it'll probably start leaking soon. Alright, this is another RAV4. This is the driver's side, and I have the shaft down on this RAV4 because this shaft seal had just started leaking on this RAV4. It wasn't even bad at all. You can see that this is where the oil had collected. It was starting to get dust, some dust on it, but it's not grimy. You see how that'll look? You can see how it couldn't get started like that compared to the one that we just saw. Where the leak has been going on for who knows how long. Check the pinned comment for a link. I'm doing a full video, a full bolt by bolt DIY on the shaft removal and replacement and the seal replacement. So there's a closer look there. I know for a fact that this is the factory transmission seal, shaft seal, because this is our RAV4 and we've had this since it was new. And it's 2000, so this is a 20-year-old seal. Pretty good performance. It is an NOK, and I'll put the part number that I can read there on the screen. But you can see how this was just starting to leak. And I don't know anything about that other RAV4 that I showed earlier. That is not my RAV4. I just started working on that last week, and it's got a couple issues but we're trying to pin down. There was ATF all over, but it's sometimes hard to diagnose an ATF leak on an automatic Toyota because Toyota uses ATF in the power steering system too, so you don't know if it's power steering system or if it's transmission system because it's the same fluid. I just knew it was ATF, and it made a real mess. Check this out. Look at that pattern. This is from oil dripping out of the shaft when I was waiting for my seal to come in. It was just dripping for like a day and a half. That's all just transmission fluid dripping from there. So you can see this looks like a very easy to misdiagnose leak. Have a look at this, especially this driver's side axle seal. Have a look at it on your RAV4 because it's about time that they start failing. We all got old RAV4s, any of us who have Gen 1s. Good luck with your repair.